brain's perspective, what's happening is that me and other scientists are calling the stress the #1 enemy of the brain. Very simply. Why is it the #1 enemy of the brain? Actually, stress kills brain cells. It's not metaphor, it's not an image. It literally kills brain cells. Now, it's not stress as such, it's cortisol. You know, when you have chronic stress, our brain starts to release cortisol, and that damages the brain. It kills brain cells in, well, all over the brain, and it's as bad as it sounds, because it impedes the development of new brain cells. Yeah, it's as bad as it sounds, basically. So unfortunately, stress is a reality. It's everywhere in our life. So the question is not, how can we remove stress? The question is, how can we create a stronger brain, a more resilient brain, so that when we are under pressure, we do not go into stress mode, right? How can you have the same circumstances and still feeling strong and in control, and that you don't feel the pressure that you start developing those stress symptoms? Because stress is a symptom, just like pain is a symptom, right? It's exactly the same, but to the brain, to the mind. When we feel stress, it's an indication that, just like with the pain, we should withdraw. Stress is not good, let's withdraw. Let's not stay in that situation. And but we are in a situation in your job, you cannot just walk out of your boss and go like, no thanks, I'm good, I'm feeling stressed now, let me go home and be zen. That's not going to happen, right? It's unfortunately not a possibility. So the other reaction, the other way is like, well, just like with the knife, how can you develop more strength that you maybe don't feel the pain that's quickly and that you're more resilient to it? That's the equivalent of what we want to do with the brain. Make it stronger, making it more resilient, so that whenever pressure happens, whenever you have a big deadline or a lot of work to do, or your client is annoying to you, you know, whatever. How can you deal with that? Just remaining calm and in control of your emotions, and you remain professional without having nor the exterior symptoms nor the internal symptoms of stress, right? So that would be #1. The other one that I would like to point out